This is our first question. On dividing x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 4 by g of x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 3 and 4. Find g of x. Okay, so here a polynomial is given here. Let us take it as p of x. Then p of x is given as x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 4. Okay, what is introduced or what is given in the question? This polynomial p of x was divided by g of x. P of x was divided by g of x. Then the quotient we got was x minus 3 and the remainder we got is 4. So how can we represent this data as an equation? Okay, as see, when we divide 9 by 2, what happens? 4 times 2 is 8. What is remainder? 1. So how we can represent this as an equation is 9 is same as 2 into 4 plus 1, right? 9 is same as 2 into 4 plus 1. Similarly, here also we can apply the same logic. P of x is same as g of x into x minus 3. See, g of x into x minus 3 plus 4. So this is the logic here. Further, what we can do is, see, we can take this 4 to the other side, right? 4 is here on our right side. So let us take it to the left side. So what we get? P of x minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 3. Okay, g of x into x minus 3. And p of x is this, right? So we have to subtract a 4 from p of x, right? P of x minus 4 we have to do. So let us take this p of x here. P of x minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 3, right? Okay. See, 4 minus 4, this term will get cancelled. So what we have now is g of x into x minus 3 is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 6x. X cube minus 5x square plus 6x. Okay. From here, we will get the value of g of x. See, g of x is same as, let us take this x minus 3 to the right side. So x cube minus 5x square plus 6x divided by x minus 3. So we have to do the division. Okay, let us write it. X cube minus 5x square plus 6x is to be divided by x minus 3. So here the first term is x cube and here it is x. So when we divide x cube divided by x, what we get? It is x square. So we know the first term here is x square. Now x square into x square into x cube, x square into minus 3, minus 3x square. Okay, so this is the first line or first step. Then as in normal division, we have to do subtraction the second step. Okay, subtract. So x cube and x cube will get cancelled. Then minus 5x square is here. Minus 5x square minus 3x square. Okay, minus 5x square minus 3x square. See, two negatives are coming together. So finally it is positive. So minus 5x square plus 3x square. See, both variable terms are in that case, they are like terms. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. See, we are adding a negative with a positive number and negative is actually the bigger one. So we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3, 2. And we have to put a negative sign because bigger one is negative. So here what we get is minus 2x square. Then we have to take the next term as it is plus 6x. Okay. Now the first term here is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square divided by, here the first term is x. Okay. Here it is minus 2x square and here it is x. We will divide. So what we get is minus 2x. So here the next term will be minus 2x. Okay, now we will multiply minus 2x into x. Minus 2x into x minus 2x square. Minus 2x into minus 3. Negative into negative positive. So this is plus 6x. Okay. Next is subtraction. See, both are like terms. So when we subtract, we'll get a 0. So actually g of x is the coefficient of this division. What is that? X square minus 2x. So we got g of x as x square minus 2x, or we can write it as x into x minus 2 because x is common for both the terms. This is our second question. Find the quotient and remainder on dividing p of x by g of x. P of x is given here and g of x is also given here. So actually we have to divide. Okay, so let us take p of x as such. We have to divide this by g of x. Okay, now as in the previous question, when we do division, what we have to do is divide the first term by the first term of the divisor. Okay, divide the first term here. So 4x cubed divided by 2x square. See, 4 and 2, we can cut, right? So we get a 2 and we have to write that 2 where the bigger number is. Now 4 is in the numerator, so we have to write 2 in the numerator itself. X cubed by x square, we know it is x. So 2x is our first term. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 2x into 2x square. So it is 4x cubed. 2x into minus x, that is minus 2x square. 2x into 1, that is plus 2x. Now let us subtract. That is the next step. So 4x cubed will get cancelled. Now 8x square minus minus 2x square. See, 8x square minus 2x square. See, two negatives are coming together, it is positive. So 8 plus 2, that is 10. So here it is 10x square. Okay, next 8x minus 2x, right? 8x minus 2x is 6x. And we have to take the last term as such. So we got this. Now 10x square is here. We have to divide 10x square by 2x square. See, both numerator and denominator have x square terms. We can cancel. Now 10 by 2, that is 5. So 5 will be the next term in the quotient part. So 5 into 2x square, that is 10x square. Now 5 into minus x, that is minus 5x. Now 5 into 1, that is 5. Next, we have to do subtraction. See, 10x square will get cancelled. 6x minus 5x. See, 6x minus. Both two negatives are coming together, means it is positive. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11x is here. Then 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now, it is the end. I mean, we cannot divide 11x plus 2 by 2x square minus x plus 1 because here the degree is 1, but here the degree is 2. So we'll stop by this. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Quotient is 2x plus 5 and remainder is 11x plus 2. This is our third question. Check whether g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is given like this and f of x is this. So factor means what? It is completely divisible. See, 6 is a factor of 18 means what? When we divide 18 by 6, we get a 0 as the remainder. So what we have to check is whether we will get a 0 as the remainder. Okay. If we get a 0 as the remainder, then we can say it is a factor. Okay. So we have to divide, right? So f of x divided by g of x. So let us take that f of x here. And g of x, we have to do division. Okay, to check whether the remainder is 0 or not. See, first term is 3x raised to 4. So the first step is 3x raised to 4 divided by x square. So here 3 is there and x raised to 4 by x raised to 2. A raised to m by a raised to n. That is a raised to m minus n. That is the logic, or that is the rule what we have to use here, exponents rule. So this is x raised to 2. So here the first term will be 3x squared. Now we have to multiply 3x square into x square, that is 3x raised to 4. Then 3x square plus, 3x square into positive 3x, that is positive 9x cube. Then 3x square into 1, that is positive 3x square. Now we have to do the subtraction. 3x raised to 4 and 3x raised to 4 will get cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube. 5x cube minus 9x cube. See, 5 minus 9. Okay, 5 minus 9 can be written as 5 plus minus 9. Okay, actually we are adding a positive and a negative number. Negative number is bigger, so the answer is negative. And we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. Or we can think like this. A bigger number is subtracted from a smaller one, so it is negative, and then do subtraction. So again, we will get the same minus 4. So it is minus 4x cube. Then minus 7x square. See, the next one is also like that. Minus 7x square minus 3x square. See, we can write it as minus 7x square plus minus 3x square. Whenever we are getting confused with a negative sign, we can split it like plus minus. See, plus and minus together is minus itself. So that is the simple logic. See, now we are adding two negative numbers. So the answer should be negative. Just add the numbers 7 and 3. So 10. So minus 10x square will come here. Then 2x and 4 don't have any pair or like terms. So just take that. Okay. So sorry, 2x is only there. 2x plus 4. Okay. So we have to continue our division. Here the first term is minus 4x cube. We have to divide it by x square. So x cube by x square is x, right? So it is minus 4x as the next term in the quotient. Now next we have to do multiplication. Minus 4x into x square, minus 4x cube, minus 4x into minus 4x into 3x, that is minus 12x square, minus 4x into 1, that is minus 4x. Now, next is subtraction. 4x cube minus 4x cube got cancelled. Next is minus 10x square minus 12x square. See, two negatives are coming together, means it is positive. And here we have a negative 10x square. Actually, it is like minus 10 plus 12, right? We are adding two numbers. One is positive and the other is negative. Bigger one is positive, so the answer is also positive. And just subtract 12 minus 10, that is 2. So here we get 2x square. Then next is 2x minus 4x. See, we have to pay more attention to those signs, positive and negative things. So 2x minus 4x. When two negatives are coming together, it is positive. So plus 4x, and here 2x plus 4x, that is 6x. Okay. Next, we have to take down the last term, that is 4. Okay. That much over. Now, the first term divided the first term of the quotient. Here, 2x square, and here the first term is x square. Okay, so here when we do division, we will get that's 2. So the next term is 2. We have to multiply 2 into x square, that is 2x square. 2 into 3x, that is positive 6x. 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay. Now what we get is these two terms will get cancelled, but 4 minus 2, that is 2. So what we got is remainder is not equal to 0. That means g of x, that was the question, no? G of x is not a factor of f of x. Okay, g of x is not a factor because we are not getting the remainder as 0. This is our next question. When 6x raised to 4 plus 8x cubed plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7 is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1, the remainder is ax plus b. Then find a and b. So anyway, we have to divide it and find out the remainder, then compare and you'll get the values of A and B. So let us do the division first. So what we have to divide is this, and it should be divided by this polynomial. Okay, now let us do the division. Okay, when we divide, first we have to divide these two. 6x raised to 4 divided by 3x square. So 6 by 3, that is 2. X raised to 4 by x square, that is x square. Okay, rule of exponent. Then 2x square into this, 2 into 3, 6. X square into x square, x raised to 4. Then 2 into 4, 8. X square into x, x cube. 2x square into 1, that is 2x square. Next step is subtraction. So here 6x raised to 4, these two will get cancelled. 17 minus 2, that is 15x square is here. Then next two terms are not having any like terms there, so just take it down. Now, next we have to divide 15x square by 3x square. See, x square will get cancelled. 15 by 3, that is 5. So 5 is the next term in the quotient part. So 5 into 3x square, that is 15x square. 5 into 4x, that is 20x. 5 into 1, that is 5. Next we have to subtract. So here 5x square, 15x square will be cancelled. 21x minus 20x, that is x. Then 7 minus 5, that is 2. And the question is given that the remainder is ax plus b. See, the remainder is ax plus b. So we can write ax plus b is same as x plus 2. So by comparing the quotients, what we get, A is 1. See, here we have a 1, but normally we won't write that. 1 is a silent part and B is 2. This is our next question. What should be added to P of x so that it is completely divisible by x minus 3, and P of x is given like this. Okay, so when all the things are in terms of x and y, it is really difficult for kids to understand the concept. So let us take an example from number system. So when we divide 12 by 5, what we get? 2 times 5 is 10 and the remainder is 2. So what number we have to add to 12 to make it divisible by 5? Actually, here the remainder is 2. The meaning is we have to subtract 2 from this 12 to make it a multiple of 5. Or what we can say, 12 minus 2. 12 subtracting 2 from 12 is same as adding negative 2 to the number. See, both are having the same meaning, right? So that is the relation between the remainder and the dividend. So we have to add the negative of the remainder to get it as a multiple of the divisor. That is the basic rule here. We will follow that. So anyways, we have to do division and find out what is the remainder. Okay, so P of x is given here. We have to divide this by x minus 3. So divide by x minus 3. Here x cube and here x. So we know x cube divided by x, we get x square. Okay, so x square into x cube. X square into minus 3 minus 3x square. So next we have to do subtraction. X cube will get cancelled. Okay, x cube is gone. Minus 3x square minus 3x square. See, both are all same, no? So what we have is 6x minus 15. Now, see here we have a 6x and here we have x. So 6x divided by x, we get it as 6. So the next term in the quotient is 6. 6 into x, 6x. 6 into 3 and negative 3. So it is minus 18. Okay. So next is subtraction. Minus 15 minus 18. Minus 15 minus minus 18. See both, two negatives are coming together. It is plus. So minus 15 plus 18. We are adding a positive and a negative number. Bigger one is positive. So the answer is positive. Just subtract 18 minus 15. That is 3. So the answer 3. But here the remainder is 3. So actually we have to subtract the remainder from this dividend P of x. So P of x plus minus 3 will make it a multiple of x minus 3. So which number we have to add? Means it is minus 3. The same question can be solved in another way, that is using remainder theorem. We know when polynomial p of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder will be p of a. So we can use that here. The question is given that x minus 3 is the divisor. So p of x when divided by x minus 3 leaves a remainder p of 3. So just find out p of 3. What is p of 3? See, just substitute 3 here in place of x. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square. See, 3 square and 6 into 3 minus 15. So it is 3 cube, 27 minus 3 into 9. That is 27 plus 6 into 3, 18 minus 15. See, 27 and 27 got cancelled, so 3. So 3 is the remainder, means we have to subtract 3. That is, we have to add negative 3. So we will get the same answer when we follow this method. This is the last question in this video. Mr. Kulkarni has asked his friends to do carpooling for commuting to office because their offices are located in the same tower of the city. For this, they calculate the total expense of the fuel and other charges, which together is represented by x cubed plus 8x square plus 16x plus 9. If there are x plus 1 members who are sharing, find the share of each member. So the total cost is given like this: x cubed plus 8x square plus 16x plus 9. And there are x plus 1 members. So in order to get the share of each one, we have to divide this total cost by the number of members, right? So let us divide this by the number of members, that is x plus 1. So here x cube is here and x is here. When we divide, what we get is x square. So x square into x, x cube. X square into 1, x square. Next is subtraction. X cube and x cube will get cancelled. 8x square minus x square, that is 7x square plus 16x plus 9. So 7x square divided by x. 7x square divided by x, that is 7x. So here the next term is 7x. 7x into x, that is 7x square. 7x into 1, that is plus 7x. Okay, so when we subtract in the next step, these two will get cancelled. 16 minus 7, that is 9. 9x plus 9 is there. So here 9x and here x. So when we divide, we will get it as 9. See, 9x by x, that is 9. So 9 into x, that is 9x. And 9 into 1, that is 9. See, the remainder is 0. So the share of each one is x square plus 7x plus 9. That is the final answer. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.